What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Pullo back in the car with another banger.
Oh, I may go up. Bitch, a lamb truck. I'm gonna upset it, fuck. Just for a couple of bucks. They can't even do it like us. I got the gang sitting outside. Whole lot of rats on us on each side. I'm on a perk, can't hold my eye. I seen a lot of y'all end up fried.
And today we got a car meet. Right now I'm waiting on my cousins got the motherfucking bathroom. But yeah, we at this car meet. Finna go around and motherfucker see what's up. I'm catch y'all boys when we get in the motherfucker seeing around. Nigga got on a damn one wheel hoverboard and shit. But this is what we got. I'm gonna catch y'all boys when we get back out there. So yeah. Oh, I gotta say that. Oh, this one here. This one. Hold on. I'm gonna get you from over here. Yeah.
Look, they want him now. They just want somebody. The issue is if you stop one, everybody else is gonna go wild.
No, I'm trying to tell you. Y'all. You say what? Oh, I was saying what?
If you stop one, now you finna let all the chaos.
Why she got a bulletproof vest on? What they be on over here?
Nothing, but it's just what they're wearing.
No, I'm talking about her.
A lot of raids over here and shit, so they might get called from over here to go over there type shit. But they usually chill over here, like they'll let us do whatever. Niggas just can't get out of hand or whatever.
Burn out with a lot of hand?
He like burnt out and popped away. And that's when he seen his ass.
That nigga said,
oh yeah, he cut him straight off. He was what? You said he said at least did. If you doing it going down, he had nowhere to go after that shit.
It's blocked him.
Fuck around now.
They said, yeah, but it went nothing.
I said, where the fuck did your ugly ass go?
Yeah. He doing that shit going towards him. It's crazy.
Them niggas over there. Sorry, that shit out.
Get them now.
I seen it when he sped on.
Looking at.
Yeah, the tractors. I want to see them pull off. They're not gonna pull out crazy because they're going the way the police are. They're going right here. Like I said, they're still not gonna do nothing crazy because the police is. That's how you record yourself. Nigga hair be good.
I ain't got no angle from down here. It's good.
Nigga hair be getting tired. I should go like this. You know my boy. I like that.
Ew.
Ain't that big? Ain't that big? You know you want to, dude. R.I.P. to the beam skis. Let that shit out, nigga. You not like that. Let that bitch out. Let that bitch out, nigga. Let's go see that, bro. Let that bitch out, nigga. Oh, shit. Goddamn shoe. Chill out, bro. Chill out. that shit out there.
What they say? Nothing? Oh, we're good?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna. He wanna fuck his car right now. Like, just fuck.
Do stupid things, pay stupid prices.
What kind of car you got? I mean, his shit do say.
What kind of car do I got?
Yeah. This shit say take risks on it. Let's see.
Of course, the
Motherfucker
calling me. Just give me a minute. Yo.
Oh, I thought it was a prank call. I was saying, hey, let me answer, boy. Hello, buddy. We parked on the. Fuck wrong with it? Oh, there she go. She came back.
I got it.
That's a fucking fire camera. Shit. You know how much this shit costs?
That's for
Damn, that.
Now this shit pee.
Good nigga shit. So.
I'm trying to figure out what kind it is though. Yeah, shit whack. Insanity.
This shit suck as fuck.
Got this little climax on the inside on some other shit. That shit just go dumb.
He boy got a motherfucking dirt like a hole out there, bitch. That shit hard over there.
I'm gonna find a plate right here. Say what? Plate on this side. Alright. Y'all got copper for it? Huh? Y'all got copper?
Alright, y'all, that bitch got shut down. We going to the next spot. Ride with my boy Connor. Fuck it. Unlock the door, bitch. God damn. Ugly ass nigga. Damn, I ain't been in a minute. Alright, y'all boys, we going to the next spot. I'm in the car with my boy Connor. Nigga, what? But yeah, we're going to the next spot. I'm gonna hit y'all boys up when we get there. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all boys, car meet fucking ruined. They boxing niggas in.
We finna do another
You know what I'm saying? They, look,
There's gonna be another location.
they boxing niggas all the way to Atlanta. I ain't gonna lie. They got it over there. Motherfuckers over here. Yeah, they.
Look, the charger finna take off.
If the charger take off, he is crazy.
God, do you know how many cops you'll have on
Like they is playing, nigga. This is Cobb County. Hey,
you? This is Marietta.
Cobb
Marietta
County.
and Cobb.
I say Cobb.
Yeah.
Cobb, the ones that blocked them out.
Look, they reversing. They finna go out another way. Yo, y'all could just turn right here. There's a little entrance right here.
Yeah, no, nigga, that's a drop off. Go.
I can't.
Try and look around. Think you can make that?
No.
Promise you could have made that. Too late now.
Bro, fucking dick.
Just had pulled up right after. You still might as well just get right there.
Nah.
But you still gonna have to go left because CVS that way.
I can do it either way.
Nah, that shit wicked. Boy, they blocked these niggas all the way in. Look, bro.
Oh, they got the ARBs and everything. They got everything out.
Yeah, they blocked the whole street in, man. Alright, y'all boys. We finna meet my damn cousin, see what's going on. I'm gonna hit y'all boys and we figure out what's going on. Fuck on to him.
I just told it how.
You realize mama watch my videos, right?
Check out going. Nope.
Sorry.
Alright, come on, Tom. But crazy.
Oh, shit. What the fuck?
Fuck you, boy. Fuck you, boy.
Slippy.
Duh, nigga got water all over it.
Fuck.
It's not as crazy. I was waiting on it, but I didn't know if it was coming yet. What you got going on?
Putting on actual shoes.
Oh, tight.
Hallelujah.
So how was y'all boys' day? You know what I'm saying? Cause mine was, it was a day. That's what it was. It was definitely a day. But you know what I'm saying? That was a nice ass truck. Turn this shit up. The press, nigga. Oh, you trying to shit his phone? I'm like, why you always trying to press your phone charger? Oh, they lining up, right? Alright, y'all, so right now we got the cars lined up over here. Your phone about to fall. His phone about to fall.
Back down low.
iPad, where the iPad at? Watch my board, nigga.
No, nigga, bro. Alright, nigga, that shit is not good, nigga. You got the camera right there, nigga. The quality is not good on that shit, nigga.
Alright, y'all boys, I'm gonna let y'all know what they finna do. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to that. Niggas wasn't even at this car meet 10 minutes, bro. What the hell, bro? Niggas wasn't even here 10 minutes, bro. This shit's crazy. Damn, you just want to eat dick that bad. Oh ass nigga. Like, damn. Niggas wasn't even here 10 minutes, bro. We sat here for 5 minutes. Who got followed? That's what I want to know. Somebody had to get followed. That's a nice ass Miata right there. All right, y'all boys. Man, I thought I was finna catch some content for y'all on the third one, but
We just want to get some more. Yeah, I'm about to He didn't wait on us now. We were just on the phone at 9.
hey, what?
We just on the phone at 9.
All right, y'all boys. We finna head back to the motherfucking crib, cause yeah, niggas were digging. So hit y'all boys. We get out this motherfucker and hit y'all when we get to where we going. So like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next. We got another one to go to tomorrow, so I'm gonna record that for y'all. I might add it to the video, but I might not. If y'all see it in the video, y'all know what happened. But other than that, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to motherfucking see next. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy the positivity for these cops. End of the day. Oh, yeah, nigga. Then we're gonna see what we get into next trip. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Long Like Pluto. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the next part. Well, y'all boys, I don't know if it's for us or the nigga behind us. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't finna poke the camera out just in case. But yeah. Nigga didn't even get to the next clip. Nigga, we turned the street. Niggas is on our ass like that.
Yeah, we fought.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Oh my God, my teeth look good. Stay ho. This smile, boy. Crazy boy.
He white caught too.
He white?
Yep.
I'm gonna just sit y'all up. Let's see what's going on.
See how they been finna go.
Oh God. Oh, it's not sitting up. You can hear niggas getting crazy and everything.
Should I turn off the car?
Nah, his car not off. It's funny as hell, bro. Cause I don't know if he here for us or not.
Oh God, like I'm so confused.
And the crazy part is he's not giving no signal to even let us know.
He just pulled out a flashlight for them.
That's what I'm saying.
Wait, cause they rolled the stop sign.
Probably like crazy.
Yeah, and he saw that.
He had to, cause he came right after you passed it. I still want to say turn around.
Oh God, and just ask him.
Nope, we ain't even for the test that nigga.
Cause I can't even run from them in this car.
I ain't even fuck running, nigga. I'm gonna just get out and be, hey.
Yeah, I'll let you out first. And then
Hey.
I'll go. Oh look, another car.
Let me out. I'm going
Yeah.
straight over that gate.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna let you out, and then I'm gonna take off. Help!
Damn, man.
I should call Cameron.
Yeah, definitely do that. You should have FaceTimed him. FaceTime. Don't even say nothing. Just FaceTime and be like,
Yo, turn on your camera. Answer the FaceTime. Look. Yup.
bruh.
I don't know. He stopped me and the other car. We're
literally
right
on the
down
next
road.
street, bro. But who you telling, boy? I still got a camera on.
Oh God, bro, I'm finna prop up this phone and y'all finna stay on the phone.
I said he got 2 cars, but I said he ain't even came out to us yet, so I don't think it's us. It's just he not signaling if it's us or not, cause he got 2 cars. When we pulled over, the other nigga pulled over with us. Do not do that.
Yeah, just come to us.
Y'all go ahead and step on. All right.
In case he has to go pick us up.
All right, yeah, boys.
How far are y'all?
All right, PG gang. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, damn, y'all kind of far now.
I say, yeah, he probably got far. But all right, PG gang. We finna see what's going on with this. I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna pick up the camera once this is over with and see what's going on. I'm gonna hit y'all boys when we get back. All right, y'all boys. We done just got back to the crib. Oh my God, my dog over here getting beat and shit. But yeah, whoa, why my hair looking either. But yeah, we back at the crib. That's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next. And as I'm, ooh, something's on my mouth. Fuck.
Didn't you get pulled over?
I didn't get pulled over, nigga. We thought we did, but yeah.
Pulling up on that.
Ain't no story time on it, nigga. They see it.
Sure.
Bitch. But yeah, appreciate y'all boys for tuning in. Like I said before, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next. I'm finna hit the crib and go to sleep. Slowing like Pluto. Let me know what y'all want to see. And we out.
How you mad? She actually cheat. You can't even buy that bitch no diamonds. They say diamonds last forever, so I don't buy my bitch flowers. I take shrooms to elevate, but that should've made me fuck you for hours. I'm in London 30.